Hi and welcome to Cluster Repairs UK, the UK's home for all your instrument cluster servicing, repairs and parts requirements. Today we will be showcasing the repair service for the Ford Kuga 3 instrument cluster, which ran from 2019 to 2024. The common fault this instrument cluster suffers from is the central display often flickers on and off. Display has black marks or spots in random places. There are lines across the display or missing segments, or complete instrument cluster failure. Here you can see the instrument cluster on test. As you can see, there are black marks and spots around the speedometer area on the top left-hand side. Cluster Repairs UK has been serving the motor industry since 1986. We cover all models of instrument clusters from the 1960s to present day, backing all our repairs with lifetime warranties. Now, after our full professional repair service, as you can see here, the instrument cluster now on test is fully working like new. If your instrument cluster is faulty and you would like it repaired, this can be done a few different ways. One, via mail order. Two, at one of our workshops on a while you wait basis, or with one of our partner garages around the country. We pride ourselves on award-winning customer service. For more details, please read the video description below. Feel free to email us or give us a call. We'll be more than happy to help. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.